Dear students, in this lecture, we will do 4-point DIF algorithm and 4-point IDFT inverse discrete Fourier transform using DIF algorithm. As we know, the difference between DIF and DIT algorithm, I am repeating again here. There are three basic differences between 4-point DIF and 4-point DIT. First, the last stage of DIT become the first stage of DIF. Second, Tweedale factor is multiplied after the addition of a first stage. At the second, the Tweedale factor is multiplied after the addition of second stage. And the third difference is, in case of DIF algorithm, input sequence is written in sequential order and output sequence is written in binary reverse order. These are the three basic differences between 4-point DIF and 4-point DIT algorithm. Now we will explain the difference between 4-point DIF algorithm and 4-point IDFT algorithm. मतलब difference between 4-point DIF, here it is also 4-point DIF, but it is simple DFT algorithm, or it is IDFT algorithm, inverse. As we know, in case of 4-point DIT, the difference between simple algorithm, simple DFT algorithm and IDFT algorithm was, you have to multiply the butterfly diagram with 1 by n. At the input you can multiply or at the output you can multiply. And the second difference is, you have to change the sign of Tweedale factor. Clear? If it is W14, then you write here W minus 14. Clear? There is only two difference. Okay? And the last difference is, at the input you have capital X or at the output you have small x, because in inverse DFT capital X of k is given, so input in case of IDFT algorithm will be capital of X and the output in case of IDFT algorithm will be the small x. Clear? See the difference here. The first difference is, at the input in case of IDFT will be a capital X, but in case of simple DFT algorithm, here it will be a small x. Okay? Rest sequence is same, stage is same, the similar stages in DIF. Here the Tweedale factor is W14, but in case of inverse DFT, the Tweedale factor is W minus 14. Clear? 0 W, here it is basically 4 beta, 40. Okay, it is 40. Similarly here it is 40 and 40 because we are performing 4-point DFT. Clear? It is 04, it is minus 04. W04 or W minus 04 remain the same, means it is 1. Okay? In case of Tweedale factor, only you have to change the sign of imaginary part. Clear? 1 is the real part, so it is the same. So see this. This was the difference in DIT also. Clear? This is not the here it is not the major difference between DIF and IDFT using DIF. This was the same difference with DIT also. Now try to do calculations of 4-point DIF, simple and IDFT. Clear? I am taking the example. The question is, if the sequence is 0.50, 0.50, perform 4-point 4-point DFT using DIF algorithm. DIF is decimation in frequency. This is your butterfly diagram. Put the values of this and do calculations. Okay, small x, first input is x of 0, means you have to put 0.5, x of 1 write 0, x of 2 write 0.5, x of 3 write 0. Then this point will be added with this point, means 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. This point, that is 0, will be added with this. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, third, this 0.5 is coming from here, and this 0.5 is multiplied with -1. Matlab you have to add 0.5 and minus 0.5. It is 0. Again, 0 is coming from this side, and this 0 is multiplied with -1, means 0 minus 0 is 0. Clear? And after the addition, you have to multiply this with twaddle factor. You know W40 is 1, W41 is minus J, I think. 0 multiplied by this will be 0. 0 multiplied by this will be 0. The sequence at the output of first stage is 1, 0, 0, 0. Now do the calculation of second stage. This one is coming from this side. This 0 is coming from this side. 1 plus 0 is 1. This one is coming from this side. This 0 is multiplying with -1 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. This 0 is coming from this side, and this 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Here 0 and 0 minus 0, 0 is 0. Okay? And the sequence of this is multiplying with this twiddle factor W40. W40 is again 1. So the sequence is 1, 1, 0, 0. Means DFT of 0.50, 0.50 will be equals to 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? The answer will be same if you do the DFT using simple twiddle factor matrix. That was 1, 1, 1, 1, like that, or using 4-point DIT algorithm, or using 4-point DIF algorithm. The answer will remain the same. Clear? Next, you have to do inverse IDFT using DIF algorithm. Clear? Butterfly diagram is clear. The only difference is in sign of twiddle factor, and at the input you have to write capital X, and at the output you have to write small x, and you have to multiply the sequence at input side or at output side with 1 by n. Okay, these are the differences between simple DIF algorithm or inverse DIF algorithm. Clear? So here I have used the sequence same this. Matlab you have to perform the inverse DFT of sequence 1010 using DIF algorithm. Clear? Using DIF algorithm. So here write x of 0 is 1, x of 1 is 0, x of 2 is 1, and x of 3 is 0. So write here this. Now this point is adding with this point, means 1 plus 1 is 2. This one is adding with this one, is adding with this one, multiply by -1, means 1 minus 1 is 0. Clear? This 0 is adding with this 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. This 0 is adding with this 0 minus 1, matlab 0. Okay? So after addition the answer is 2, 0, 0, 0. Now this 0 is multiplying with this twiddle factor matrix, but the answer will be 0. 0 multiplied by this, the answer again will be 0. The output at the first stage of IDFT algorithm is 2, 0, 0, 0. Now go to the second stage. This 2 is coming from this side. 2 plus 0 is 0. Sorry, 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0 is again 2, because 0 multiplied by -1 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Clear? Here we multiply this with 2, multiply this with the twiddle factor. Here it is W40. Okay, and W40 is 1. So this is 2. This after multiplying with twiddle factor remains 2. This is 0. This 0 will multiply with twiddle factor means 0. Clear? Now you have to performing 4 point DIF means value of n is 4. ठीक है, 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2, 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2, 0 divided by 4 is 0, 0 divided by 4 is 0. Here x of 0 is 1 by 2, so you write here x of 0 is 1 by 2, x of 2 is 1 by 2, x of 2 is 1 by 2, x of 1 is 0. So you write here x of 1 is 0, x of 3 is 0, so you write here x of 3 is 0. Means IDFT of sequence 1010 is 0.5, 1 by 2 is 0.5, 0.50, 0.50. ठीक है, so this is your this point 0.50, 0.50. Yeah, this is your answer of 4 point inverse DFT using decimation in frequency algorithms. Okay, thank you.